Hi there, this is Joe Naranki, and I am an anatomist. I am studying the joints in Olympic alpine skier. A joint is where two or more bones come together for movement. Purpose of a joint is for movement. Ball and socket joint in the hip, a ball that moves within a socket. Hinge joint can only move along one axis to flex and extend. Pivot joint in the neck, rotation of one bone. Condyloid joint, wrist flexion, extension, adduction. Saddle joint in the thumb and allows flexion, extension, adduction. Gliding joint in the wrist allows the bones to glide. Abduction, movement of a limb away from the midline of the body. Adduction toward the center of the body. Extension, straightening or stretching opposite of flexion. Rotation, movement of the body around a central axis, like shaking your head no. Flexion, the bending of the joint, decreasing the angle. Bone, hard whitish tissue, what makes up your skeleton. Agonist muscle, the major force to complete the movement, example, bicep. Antagonist muscle, the muscle relaxes. Cartilage, firm, white, flexible tissue, not bone or muscle. Tendon, tissue connecting muscle to a bone. Articular cartilage, smooth, white tissue that covers ends of bones where they come together to form joints. Synovial fluid, it lubricates the joint, helping it to work freely and easily. Menisci, thin cartilage between joints. Bone, the tibia in the leg. Muscle, hamstring in the leg. Cartilage by your knee. Articular cartilage where your tibia and ankle come together in the foot. Tendons connecting calf to the tibia lower leg. Synovial fluid makes the joint in the knee. Movement 1. Joint in the knee. The type of joint is hinge. Bones, fibula, tibia, femur, patella makes up the bones. The movement is to change direction and the calf. Movement 2. The joint is in the ankle. Hinge joint, fibula, tibia are the bones. To change direction, calf. Movement 3. Shoulder, ball socket, type of joint, humerus, clavicle are the bones. To propel you forward, bicep and tricep. That is all I have for you guys watching. Hopefully you learned a lot about joints.